version of Raspbian as I'm doing here and to do an update. And I've chosen to do the update route partially so I can show you how to do the update, and partially because I want to see both the old and new versions of Raspbian running together in the same video so we can really appreciate the new features in Pixel. Anyway, here on the old Raspbian desktop I can now go into the terminal, and there's a range of commands we need to type in to do the actual update. We start with a sudo apt-get update just to check that everything is set up for doing an update. That'll take a second to work through. And with that complete, I'll just adjust the size of this window so you can see everything on screen properly. And we now need to do the full update itself. Don't worry, I'll put all these commands in the video description. There's quite a bit to type here. We need to do an apt-get dist and an upgrade. This is the exciting bit, and this will obviously take a little while, I would imagine. Do we want to do this? Yes, we do. And there we are, it's completed. That took, I think, about 18-19 minutes, which is not too bad to upgrade an operating system, is it? It will of course depend on the speed of your internet connection, to what extent Lady Luck is smiling in your direction on a particular day, and also which Pi you're using. Here I'm using a Pi 3, which will be fastest. Now I also need to do a few more updates so we get the entire effect as if we had installed a new version of Raspbian with Pixel on it. So I have to do those commands, so I'll get on with those. I'll put the again the code for this in the video description, but it'll take me a second. I bet you can probably guess what this one is going to do. There we are, that one is done. Next one to do is this. And finally we need to do, and there we are, all of that is now done. Quite a bit to type in there, but if you take it slowly, watch your syntax, the upgrade process is not too bad. And we can now close down the terminal. You might notice it started to load in some new icons already. The wastebasket has changed look. But of course we'll see all of the changes by doing a proper reboot. So let's now go to the menu and do a shutdown. Yes, I could have shut down from the terminal. I didn't want to. Let's do a reboot from here. And here we are coming up again, and oh look, welcome to Pixel. We have a different boot screen. We don't have all the text scrolling up the screen anymore. And we're now arriving in Raspbian. It should be in theory exactly